Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how I achieve these flawless brows and how I install my lashes. Stay tuned. So as you can see, I already did one side of my face. So I'm going to go in, start with my brow. With my brow pencil, make sure it's sharp, right? You're going to take your spoolie and brush your eyebrows in the direction you would like them to go. Take your pencil and start to fill it in. Right there, I just lined the bottom of my brow. Then I'm going to go to the top, start from the middle, and then draw the line. And once you have your outline, all you got to do is just fill it in. Lightly stroke though. So you're going to go in with your spoolie and just brush it to blend it out. Just to get rid of that harsh line in the beginning. Once your brow is filled in like so, you're going to take your concealer, whichever one you like to use. And right now I'm going to use a concealer that's exactly my skin tone. I'm not going to go 2 shades lighter, darker. No, I'm going to get my exact skin tone. And I'm going to put it on the back of my hand to warm it up a little bit because it's very, very easy to blend that way for me. I'm going to take a square flat top brush. I love to work with them, or a round one, but the square ones get the line crisp. So I like to use that. Dab it in there, like so, until you get the brush flat as possible, right? So you go in at the bottom and line it. So you're going to go in again and start to highlight the top. Then I blend it outward. With the brow up, just to get the arch a little more defined. You're gonna go in and just blend this in underneath here. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name, D-O-Yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty Now just take the front of the brush and just brush it across there to get rid of any harsh lines.
Is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride bitch? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of it. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, bitch. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, bitch. Then you wanna shoot with the red at the bottom, bitch. You know I like when you ready to keep up. If I hit it front and back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a cousin with her, take her back to the mile. At 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And they may begging, but she a stallion. My hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she riding. This nigga's all kids, so shawty on the drop it low like a limb. By the time we kick it like tempo.
So now I take my finger and blend it out some more, just to get it to melt into my skin.
I know I gotta keep my shawty on go.
Take them to your eye, of course, measure it, cut off whatever you do not need. I already did that. I already used these lashes before, and they are from my collection. These are the classic lash. Good for everyday wear. Super cute. And I take my lash glue and just brush it across the lash. Hold the lashes directly at the top, close to the lash band, in the middle. I find that is the most secure way to do it and very comfortable for me. And I just place it directly in the middle. Like it's not even all the way on right now, I just placed it directly in the middle. Okay, what I do, I let it sit, get a little more tacky. And then now I'm just going to take it from the end and press it close to the lash on as possible. And go to the front and do the same thing. Okay, and once I push it super close to the lash line and get it where it needs to go, see? Then I just take my tweezers and I just press them together, my real lashes and the actual lash that I just applied. Once that's done, I take my lash curlers and just curl these bad boys. Voila! She is all done. Like done. However, if I was doing a full face of makeup and I knew I was going to be outside for a long period of time, I would take my brow mascara gel, just take it, open it, wipe the excess off, and just brush my brows up in place, lightly like I'm doing. Just to keep them brows in place. Take my hair clips out. This is no longer in the way. And sometimes I like to take a liquid liner and just add a dot right there, just to give it just an extra little spice. And this is it. Like, this is the look. Or the way I do my brows in there. Here's a few clips from my snap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to use your setting spray to keep your concealer in place as well. Till next time.